today we can have or we can receive an A accreditation for our school. With a great power come great responsibility. So with our school right now achieving A accreditation, it also comes with a great responsibility for all of us. Our responsibility is we have to maintain our achievements. We have to keep working hard and make it better. And most important, we have to make more contribution towards society.
Pertemuan yang sebelumnya saya pernah ngomong dengan guru, saya juga bilang itu kita bisa dapat E karena apa? Karena kalian adalah guru yang bagus. Saya pengen ini E yang di sini ini tujuan kita buat acara hari ini ada supaya kalian tahu ya, kita itu mau menjadi orang yang bagus, yang sukses, menjadi murid E.
The victory that I've got, I used to get up at 4 and practice 6 hours for a day. I did not use phone and I always focus on my goal. Then I realized that the little things that Carnegie has taught me make me disciplined and optimistic. Thank you, principal, teachers and friends.
Selamat kepada Carnegie.
Congratulations Carnegie.
Selamat ya untuk Carnegie School.
Sistem pendidikan yang berbasis moralitas dan intelektual itu adalah sistem pendidikan yang sangat bagus. Dengan sistem pendidikan Carnegie, saya sangat itu yang membuat pertama kali saya membulatkan tekad saya untuk memindahkan Alden sama Filia ke sekolah ini. Semoga tetap tulus dalam berdedikasi untuk menciptakan generasi-generasi yang handal, baik secara lahir maupun batin.
Sangat bangga dengan keberhasilan Carnegie School dapat meraih akreditas A. Saya semakin yakin dengan masa depan anak saya. Semoga Carnegie School tetap semakin jaya.
Saya bangga sekali dan juga merasa sangat senang ketika mendengar kabar ini. Saya sebagai orang tua ikut bangga dan berharap agar sekolah terus semakin maju dan terus memberikan ilmu-ilmu pendidikan dan pengetahuan serta pengembangan karakter kepada siswa-siswinya.
Saya senang sekali mendengar kabar bahwa Carnegie School telah berhasil mendapatkan akreditasi A. Ini akan sangat bagus sekali untuk anak-anak kita, di mana akan memudahkan mereka untuk memasuki universitas lokal maupun luar negeri yang mereka inginkan, dan selangkah lebih maju untuk meraih mimpi mereka.
I also want to say thank you to our principal, our teacher, and our staff who have worked so hard so all of us can achieve this accreditation.
The facilities that we have in our school are so complete. All rooms are always clean, the students feel comfortable during the learning process, and we have variety of extracurricular which support us to be active and be confident with ourselves. In Carnegie School, we only speak English and Mandarin. Our accreditation status is A. With all the good facilities offered, we really deserve it.
The learning process that I experience here is beyond fantastic. I never feel bored with the learning process here due to the fun learning activities. The teachers always teach us energetically and all subjects are project-based. So we need to make the projects and it improves our creativity a lot.
Carnegie is a really fun school because we have life skills that we learn every day through majoring class. The school also emphasizes moral values in everyday life. I was so unconfident and unmotivated, but now I'm a completely different person. The school really helped me find who I really am.
I have only positive words for Carnegie School. With a very warm atmosphere, the school provides students with everything we need in order to improve our skills. The teaching method is fantastic because we learn, we practice, and we make projects. I highly recommend the school to everybody who really wants or needs to improve English and other skills.
Our culture is different from other schools. In Carnegie School, we must respect each other no matter who they are. Every time we pass by each other, we must bow down as showing respect. Every day in the morning before we start the class, we learn about morality first. So we are not only learning to be good at academic but also good at morality.
Hi, I'm Alden. I am part of Carnegie School and currently I'm studying in International University of Applied Sciences in Germany. There's no one way to describe my experience in Carnegie School, but to sum it up, I will say it is amazing. I am so grateful for having the privilege and the opportunity to attend the class here. My years as a Carnegie student is one of the best experiences in my life. I learned to become MC, learned about leadership, and learning to manage big events. And all of the things that I did here helped me to become the best version of myself. So I'm extremely grateful and thank you so much Carnegie School.
Selamat kepada Carnegie School telah mendapatkan akreditasi A. Harapan saya semoga Carnegie School semakin berdedikasi di dunia pendidikan.
Carnegie School is recognized as outstanding A by Indonesian's Education Board. With the facility the school provides, the qualified teachers, a nice school building, the fun learning activity, the variety of extracurricular activities, yeah, I can say that Carnegie School really deserves it, even beyond A.
Selamat kepada Carnegie School atas tercapainya akreditasi A. Semoga semakin sukses dan semakin jaya. Maju terus